Okay, for some reason, Albino Sam fucking floats, and he chases you down. He doesn't go away, he just chases you the whole time. Oh, oh! Wait, what? Okay. Well, shit. Albino Stan, he floats. And he can go through things. He can go through things. Holy shit. Alright. Oh, let me see. Can I get on fire? Oh, ah! Let's see, where we go? Stanley. Molestan. Listan. I'll take a flare gun. And Stan over here when I shoot the flare gun. Hey, what? Stan is there? Oh. Leaf flare. Or actually, when we're hunting the mercs, we should actually get a elite merc. I mean, we should get a flare so we can shoot the elite mercs. Because it will attract attention. Yeah. Oh! Bro, that scared the shit out of me. Bro, why did it get me? Oh my god. Bro, that scared the shit out of me. Oh my god.